Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Connect. My name is Salman and in today's video we'll be discussing about the Realme Pad, the most awaited product, and there is a lot to speak about. Let's get started. To start off with, I would like to speak about the design. The tab has an aluminum finish on the rear, which is also smudge free. And not just that, the tab is just weighing around 440 grams and 6.9 mm slim. It is slimmer than this phone that I currently use. Can you imagine a tab of this size just weighing around 440 grams and just 6.9 mm slim? Now let's move straight into the hardware, that is an interaction between a human and a machine. That is this gorgeous display, which is 10.4 inches WUXGA display. This massive display supports a lot of features. Let me take you through a couple of features. Starting with, it has an amazing reading mode. You would feel that as though you are physically reading a book and turning a page by page. And with reading mode, we have also added a mode which we call eye comfort, which is used while you're using the tab in low light conditions, and everybody's favorite dark mode is also there. Other than this, we have modes such as bedtime mode, where the entire display is turned gray, and also we have a mode called sunlight mode for better daylight visibility. And not just this, with all this, there is one more beautiful mode for all workaholics people, that is focus mode. Using this mode, you would be able to cut off all the distractions from selected applications. The features of this gorgeous display does not end here. We have integrated some beautiful features using our new interface for Realme Tab specifically. So let's get started with the first beautiful feature which I love, which is multi-window. So using multi-window, I'll be able to access two applications at the same time. For example, I want to use a calculator and at the same time I wish to make some notes. So I can have the calculator and notes opened simultaneously. These are just couple of examples. The tab has much more to offer. Like here, for all the parents who are concerned about their kids, we have a space called Kid Space. Using Kid Space, we offer preloaded contents that are specifically for kids. There are some very beautiful avatars which are customized specifically for your kids, and there is built-in parental control as well. The child must definitely be supervised while he's interacting with the internet. So with all these beautiful features on this gorgeous display, there is an important feature which we all love, that is entertainment. The display of this is just beautiful and immersive for all kind of entertainment. So here is a quick demo of a video and the beautiful quad speakers on the tab. Yes, you heard it right. We have a quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos and high-res sound support. Watch this quick demo. Isn't it amazing? Even I was blown away with the kind of sound and the video quality given on this gorgeous display. Now why would we have given quad speakers? There is definitely a reason. I have been a tab user for a very long time and I have always faced this issue. I am unable to hear while I am on an online meeting, and also if I use a wired headset, I always have to be careful when I am getting up. But with this quad speaker setup, I can sit back and relax and watch everything with ease and hear everything with ease. The story of this all beautiful apps put together are via the brain which we have provided to this particular product. We have given a MediaTek G80 processor which clocks up to 2 gigahertz. This amazing processor gives an immersive experience whether it is multitasking or gaming. And using this massive tab to play Ludo is almost like having a physical Ludo in place. I would definitely recommend, do check it out. The tab also comes with face unlock. Just look at the tab and the tab is unlocked. It also comes with a 8 megapixel rear and a front camera, which is a wide angle lens. Here are a quick samples of the camera shots that I have just taken from this tab. After camera, let's come to an important point. Usually tabs are of multi-user. At Realme, we respect everyone's privacy. That is why we have given multi-user mode. You can always have a guest login and your private business login. With so many features and with so many options, we know our customers would want a very good battery life. That is why the tab comes with a 7100 mAh of battery which charges quickly using an 18-volt charger. And not just that, the tab also supports a memory card and a SIM card. So you can expand the memory up to 1 TB. And as always, Realme's every product passes through a numerous quality tests. So with all this power packed features, this tab just cost less than 14,000. The base variant of the tab just costs less than 14,000 and it is available for sale right now. You can visit any of our Realme retailer store or our exclusive store near you. It's a wrap for this video. If you like what we do, consider to like and share. So until our next video, take care of yourself and subscribe. With